it wasn't my fault. The kid walked away for 10 minutes. I mean, it could happen to anybody.
It's not my decision, Janet. When an incident like this happens, we always remove the child till the agency can review the situation.
The kid found a pinky. It's no big deal.
It might be an indication that you and Raymond are overtaxed here. I mean, you already have 4 foster children.
Yeah, well, we're doing the very best we can, Mrs. Crane.
I know you are, Janet. Why don't you call my office in the morning and we'll see where we stand, okay? Say goodbye. Here we go. May I help you?
Hi, I'm Natalie Teeger, and this is Adrian Monk, and we're working with the police on the investigation.
About the severed?
Yep. Right. Mrs.
Crane, Teresa Crane. I'm Tommy's caseworker.
I'm Monk.
I see you two have met before.
What happens to him now?
It's a tough one. I've been trying to place him with a family in Livingston. It would be a perfect match, but they can't take him for 2 weeks.
I'll take him.
What? What are you gonna do, adopt him?
I'll take him. I'll take him.
Monk.
This is the last form. Just sign here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe it does. Normally, I would prefer a longer waiting period, but because you and Tommy have already bonded and it's just a temporary placement, I decided to go with my instincts. There we go. Congratulations. Now, before I go, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I have a couple of questions. What does he eat?
He eats food. He eats whatever you eat, only smaller portions.
So he's like a person.
Exactly.
And when he wakes up,
Yes.
what do I do?
You take care of him, you play with him, you love him.
How do I love him?
Mr. Monk, you don't need me to tell you that. You're off to a great start with Tommy. He likes you already a lot. You can always call your friend Natalie. I think she's great. Oh, I'll check in tomorrow and see how you're doing.
Wait, wait a minute. Wait, you're leaving? You're leaving now? Wait, right now? Right.
You'll be fine. Just trust yourself. Bye, Tommy. Have fun.
Well, thank you. Thanks again. No, Tommy, don't cry. I promise I'm gonna do the best I can. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. Everything's okay. Where'd that kid go? Yes. Nice and neat.
Neat.
Nice and neat.
Emergency.
You've got to help me. Oh, look, I've just taken in a 2-year-old boy. My assistant isn't home, and I can't reach her. Oh God.
Sir, what is the nature of your emergency?
It's everywhere. BM, it's BM. BM. BM, it's BM.
Sir, you have to stop saying
it's
BM now. Do you mean your child is soiling his diaper?
Yes, he's soiling his diaper with, BM.
You mean you've never changed a diaper?
Hurry!
Okay, listen carefully. There should be 2 Velcro straps on the sides. Find the 2 straps.
Okay, I've got the straps.
Now rip them open.
Oh! 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 Oh my God! Oh, the humanity.
Okay, sir. All right. Do you have any wipes?
Yes, I've got about 2,000.
That should be fine.
Not gonna be enough.
Sir, you're gonna have to wipe your son's bottom. Sir, is the boy all right?
He's fine. That was me. Wait a minute. Oh my God, he's making more.
Is it number 1 or number 2?
It's 1 and 2 and oh my God, it's 3. It's number 3.
Sir, I'm afraid you're on your own. This line is for emergencies only.
That's right, children. That was the piano. And that instrument was the violin. Now let's listen to the piano and the violin.
It's jungle out there, disorder and confusion everywhere. No one seems to care. Well, I do.